Welcome to today's video. We are going to be reading the book Secret Pizza Party by Adam Rublin. He's the author and our illustrator was Daniel Salamiri. I love to eat pizza and I really like parties. They're fun, but it's a secret. Do you know what secret means? Secrets whenever you tell something to somebody else, or you could keep it to yourself, but not a lot of people know it, and you don't want a lot of people to know it. So, not a lot of people are going to know about this pizza party because it's a secret. But you can know about it. All right, hi, I'm Gina Antrim. I'm a speech therapist and AAC therapist, and I have been for the past 9 years. Today we're going to be reading the book Secret Pizza Party, and I'm going to be providing aided language input using the Lamp Words for Life poster. Okay, let's get ready to read. We're going to go now. We're going to open our book. Oh, look at those letters. Do you see they have different pizza toppings on top of them? How cool is that? And it's our title again. Let's read it again. Secret Pizza Party. This is going to make me hungry because I love to eat pizza. Here's our title page. It gives us information about our book. Secret Pizza Party. And look, there's a raccoon. He's walking on top of different store places. He's walking on the roofs. So he is on top of them. I wonder, where is he going? Let's turn our page. It says, poor raccoon, all he wants in life is some pizza. He's looking into a store. That's why the words go backwards, is because he's on the other side looking in. Yeah, and he is watching all of these people and they're getting to eat pizza, but he's not. I feel sad for the raccoon. If only he knew how to ask politely. That means to ask in a nice way, to use our manners, like please and thank you. Let's think about how he could ask politely. We could say, can I have some pizza, please? Or can you get me a slice of pizza, please? That would be asking politely, using our manners. But instead, I think he was trying to get in the trash can and get pizza out of the box. But the pizza man, he said no. He said, get out of here. And he used a broom on the raccoon. Oh my. Ah, pizza. It's so beautiful that you could hang it on the wall of a museum. So here they have masterpiece pictures of art. But pizza, they're saying, is so good, you could put it on the wall too. It's so convenient, that means easy, that you could eat it in the bathtub. Oh my goodness. Have you ever eaten pizza in a bathtub? I have not. But it would be easy enough because you can hold it in your hand that you could eat it there. That would be different for sure. Pepperoni pizza. A lot of people think that pepperoni pizza is good. Of course, the best part about pizza is the gooey cheesiness, salty pepperoniness, sweet, sweet tomatoness, and crispity, crunchy crust. Mmm, yum. That does sound good. The way that he talked about pizza there does make it sound really good. Sorry, raccoon. I did not mean to rub it in. Hey, cheer up. I just had a great idea. Let's throw a pizza party at your house tonight. They're gonna have a pizza party. Oh my gosh. Remember we talked about liking pizza parties and how fun they are? But shh, don't tell anyone. This will be a secret pizza party. I wonder, why do you think it has to be a secret? Let's turn the page. I know what you're thinking. Why would we keep such a delicious, delicious party a secret? Okay, sure. It's so folks don't show up to bonk you with brooms. Woo, that'd be scary. But that's not the only reason. When you make something a secret, you make it special. Regular handshake, boring. Secret handshake, booyah. Regular staircase, whew, that's tiring. Secret staircase, that's terrific. A regular pizza party, you get the raccoon off the table. Whew, they got out their brooms again. Everybody's getting out brooms to get rid of a raccoon, huh? But a secret pizza party, get that raccoon another slice of pizza. He's the guest of honor. Oh, now that is different. That is making it special and better for the raccoon, isn't it? All right, let's turn our page and we're going to read some more. Hot diggity dog, our pizza party is going to be so much fun. Call the pizza man and tell him to bring over his absolute finest pizza pie. Hang on a minute. You don't want the delivery guy to know where you live. He doesn't want him to know where the raccoon lives, right? He might recognize you from the posters and chase you off with a broom. A broom again. Think, raccoon. Think. Oh, he put his finger up in the air. I think he has an idea. Look here. What do you see that's different? That's right. He has on clothes. He's wearing a disguise. Okay, now, play it cool. You're just an honest pizza buying citizen. who left his wallet in the car. The pizza man thinks that you'll be right back. Let's go! I've planned the perfect getaway route around the broom factory, over the broom enthusiast club, past the raccoon sniffing broom bots. Wait a second. Raccoon sniffing broom bots? Uh-oh. Whew, he needs to go fast, doesn't he? He's got to get out of there. Oh, tell him, chant him on, say, go, raccoon, go. Run, raccoon. Run like the wind. That means he does need to go fast so he can get away from those broom bots. Ooh, I would feel scared of broom bots too. Phew. Oh, we made it. Let's barricade the doors and pop open that pizza box. Barricade means to block them off so you can stop anybody from being able to get in. So if they barricade the door, they stop it and no one can get in. Secret pizza party! Oops! I said that kind of loud. Sorry. Pizza smell. It gives me the happy screams. Let's take a look at his room. He has pizza art, Pizza Planet art. He's got more art of somebody running with pizza in their hands and on their feet. Here's more pizza triangle heart. He has a pizza shade for his light. I think he really likes pizza. Let's see, there's some more. He's got pizza on his bed. Whoa! That is a lot of pizza. Try not to crunch too loud. Definitely no high-fiving or music or dancing. In fact, we better turn off the lights and whisper just to be safe. Secret pizza party. What's the matter? He's finally being able to eat it. But if you look closely, remember how his box looked pretty damaged because of how he had to run so fast? There's hair on his pizza. Ew, that's so yucky. All right, let's see. Here's his home. He's in a tree. Raccoons, sometimes they live in burrows under a tree, but he's inside one. Secret sassy molassy. Look at all of that pizza. Clearly, these people are much better at throwing parties than they are at keeping secrets. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Because here it says secret pizza party. But they're being loud, aren't they? It's different from his pizza party. It's not the same, is it? I wonder what the raccoon will do. Okay, you're in. Just play it cool. No one suspects a thing. And the reason why is, look, everyone has masks on their eyes. They're covering up around their eyes, just like a raccoon does. So he's acting like he has a mask, but really that's just the way that his fur is on his face. Uh-oh. That raccoon, he took it too far. He's laying on the pizza and eating it. Everyone else feels disgusted. Ah! They got their brooms again! Secret pizza party! And he's running away fast with arms full of pizza. I bet he's gonna take it back to where he lives. And there's our pizza and the back cover. He's wanted for pizza theft. That means he took the pizza without asking politely or without having money to pay for it. Reward is 1 free pie. No toppings. So 1 free pie means just 1 pizza. Some people refer to it as a pizza pie because it's shaped like a pie. And no toppings means you can only get cheese. You can't get any of the good stuff like sausage, pepperoni, peppers, onions, mushrooms. All right, that's the end of our book. So we just talked about toppings. I wonder, what kind of toppings do you like on your pizza? I think Raccoon liked them all. I like sausage and mushroom. What about you? All right, well, thank you for reading with me today. I hope that you liked it. And if you did like this reading, please give me a thumbs up down below with a like. You can also subscribe to my channel or leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.